I'm Cooking with Chris, and I've been doing a bunch of Prime Day research, and it's finally here. I have the best deals I could find for you for your kitchen needs. There's a lot to get to, so let's get started. The Instant Pot Pro, it's a 10-in-1 multi-cooker. This is the 6-quart version. I've seen it at $119 before, but for Prime Day, it's $20 less at $99. If that is slightly out of your budget for a multi-cooker, how about the Instant Pot 9-in-1 6-quart? $69.99 is the lowest price it has been this year. Keurig owners, when is the last time you descaled your brewer? Well, the Keurig 3-month maintenance kit at $9.99 is the best price it has been this year. If you're looking to replace your Keurig or get a new one for a dorm room, the K-Elite single serve is Prime Day priced at $99. If you have the counter space for this Oster extra large French door air fryer, now would be the time to buy at $139.99. By the way, since Amazon does not have the best search function, to make it easier for you, I have links in the description that will go directly to the product page on Amazon, including the classic stand mixers from KitchenAid. The Artisan and Classic series are both discounted at 14% and 16% off the list price, but they have been marked down cheaper already this year. So unless you really need one now, I'd say just wish list it and keep an eye out for sales. Usually Amazon will alert you when you have an item on your wish list and it goes on sale. From the classic stand mixer to something that has been one of the more trendier appliances to have on your countertop this last year or so, this ice maker from Frigidaire is self-cleaning stainless steel, and it's the lowest price of the year at just over $100. Speaking of ice, the Ninja FrostVault 65-quart cooler, which says will hold ice for days and features a pull-out drawer that keeps food dry and at food-safe temps, is the lowest price it has been all year for Prime Day at $265. If you want to vacuum seal some food to put in a cooler, the custom length bags from Food Saver are $29. Henkel's, which is known for quality knives, has this 20-piece set for $169. By the way, I am an Amazon affiliate, which means I do benefit monetarily if you do use my links below, so thank you if you decide to use them. If you don't need a whole set of knives, they do have this 8-inch slicing knife Prime Day priced. And if you have knives but they could use some sharpening, this highly rated sharpener from Chef's Choice is at $115.99. Coming in at the lowest price of the year is this SodaStream starter kit at $50 to make your own sparkling water at home. And this professional grade 48-ounce blender from Vitamix might sell out quickly at $2.99. It not only makes smoothies and frozen desserts, but it has a pulse mode and a heating function for those who want to make soup right in their blender. If you're looking for a quick way to cool down this summer, then check out this highly rated, nostalgic-looking shaved ice machine. It's $21 and includes a reusable plastic snow cone cup. This video is all about cooking deals on Amazon, but I will have a non-kitchen deals video too. Link for that will be in the description below once it's live on YouTube. I also found a ton of great discounts on clothing, too many to do a video on, so I made a list on my Amazon page for all the clothing deals. Link for that down below as well. To find a quality enameled Dutch oven under $50 is kind of rare these days, but this 5.5 quart from Tramontina is 60% off. If you're looking for some great organization for under the kitchen sink or in any cabinet, this 2-pack of under sink organizers has over 1,500 reviews and a 4.5-star rating. What comes to just a little over $1 each, this 8-pack of 12x12 cotton dish towels from Urban Villa is Prime Day priced at $8.49. I swear, every time I need my one pair of kitchen tongs, they're in the dishwasher. And I've probably told myself 24 times in the last 3 months to buy more kitchen tongs. These 12-inch 2-packs are $9.99. They're stainless steel, locking, and have non-slip grips. From a half quart to 5 quarts, this set of 6 stainless steel mixing bowls is a great pickup for $22. A garlic press is a nice gadget to have in the kitchen. This one has multiple colors, a soft handle, and comes with a garlic peeler and brush. And finally, these silicone oven mitts are 20% off from HGYI and are waterproof, non-slip, and quilt lined. Links for all the Prime Day kitchen deals are below, plus don't forget to check out the link for the best clothing deals I found. I'm Cooking with Chris, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.